like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear I've weighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Pain goes by when you just don't think about, when you just don't think about it, no. Pain goes by when you just don't think about, when you just don't think about it, no. I think my vision's getting blurry, swear the Reaper's in a hurry. Yeah, I say I got no worries, but feels like nothing's gonna cure me. I don't really know why, been so damn sick of this ride. Just one off so I can feel normal for once. Fantasize about gripping the gun.
And I got lots of problems, medicated, solve them. Slowly I've been falling, slowly I've been falling. I got lots of problems, medicated, solve them. Slowly I've been falling, slowly I've been falling. No, no.
Voices loud in my head, I don't want no more pain. Voices loud in my head, I don't want no more
Pain goes by when you just don't think about, when you just don't think about it, no. Pain goes by when you just don't think about, when you just don't think about it, no. I've been living by myself, My parents saying find help, but therapy is kinda scary. Yeah, that's what my brain repels. I've been living sedentary, driving past the cemetery, couple feet right from my house. If that's the end, then I want out.
I got lots of problems, medicated, solve them. Slowly I've been falling, slowly I've been falling. I got lots of problems, medicated, solve them. Slowly I've been falling, slowly I've been falling. No, no.
Voices loud in my head. I don't want no more pain. Voices loud in my head. I don't want no more
Pain goes by when you just don't think about, when you just don't think about it, no. Pain goes by when you just don't think about, when you just don't think about it, no.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad. I'm gonna show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one. Working hella hard until I get just what I want, yeah. Rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooter's gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I won, yeah. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win, yeah.
Say now, another one gone way too young. I just hold my tongue, I don't wanna be the next one.
Yeah, RP Little Peep, RP to the Grace, Mac Miller RP, and that shit ain't the same. Get scared these days, being in this lane. If I don't make it, please just memorize my name. I'm struggling and sometimes I don't know if I'm alright. In a darkest state of mind, cause all my idols fucking died. No one left I can't look up to, it's just me, myself and I. For all my fans I gotta find the strength to try and stay alive, yeah. Running from myself and I've been living like this. I've been running from the pain and I don't wanna go back now. I'm running from myself and I've been living like this. I've been running from the pain and I don't wanna go back now.
Too many dead, every headline dread. Keep it out of my head, I don't know what I can say now. Another one gone way too young. I just hold my tongue, I don't wanna be the next one. Too many dead, every headline dread. Keep it out of my head, I don't know what I can say now. Another one gone way too young. I just hold my tongue, I don't wanna be the next one. Sick of the death, sick of the sickness. Where the fuck is everybody when you need the help the most? All the idols turn to ghosts. I watch the light fade from your inner fire, but the flame still burns in the hearts that you've inspired. 6 feet, tell me it's a sick dream, wake me. Paranoia, never knowing when the reaper takes me. Another day, another death from something so preventive. I guess I'll just keep my fucking head up till the day I'm finished.
Running from myself and I've been living like this. I've been running from the pain and I don't wanna go back now. I'm running from myself and I've been living like this. I've been running from the pain and I don't wanna go back now. Too many dead, every headline dread. Keep it out of my head, I don't know what I can say now. Another one gone way too young. I just hold my tongue, I don't wanna be the next one. Too many dead, every headline dread. Keep it out of my head, I don't know what I can say now. Another one gone way too young. I just hold my tongue, I don't wanna be the next one. Too many dead, every headline dread. Keep it out of my head, I don't know what I can say now. Another one gone way too young. I just hold my tongue, I don't wanna be the next one. Yeah, it's that Super, no, Shima flow. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's that Super, no, Shima flow. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's your boy, it's your man, Young Josh A coming through with the plan. I wrote a couple songs and I gained a couple lives. Moved to Orlando, now I'm living fine. Yeah, I got a brain for a dentist and I train like a menace, but the passion is music. I've been in it for a minute, goddamn. Giving it everything that I can. I've been making some fire, my ego is boosted. I don't wanna go back. I've been looking at my life like a throwback. How far I've came, man, that's so rad. I remember when they said my music's so bad. Young, shy, and chosen. They laugh until they hear this young man go in. I've been making the killing, just chasing my dreams, right until I cannot breathe. Yeah. Yeah, it's that Super, no, Shima flow. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's that Super, no, Shima flow. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's that Super, no, Shima flow. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's that Super. Man, what can I say? Other than that, I am great. I've been at it making songs every single day, and the people want more, so I'm slaving away. About to quit my job and name my manager my mixtape. Yeah, this is my passion. Y'all ain't ready for the tape and the game will tap in. I just really wanna make it, man, I'll make it happen. And there's gonna be more than just pointless stabbing. Drop love and I found a new outlet. Girls on me out, swear they need a new outfit. No romance anymore, got a hand on the door and I'm leaving that part of my life. Man, like Isaac Newton, no excuses. I'ma just focus on it, only music. History only wants the contributions. I don't think they care about your body count. Yeah. Yeah, it's that Super, no, Shima flow. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's that Super, no, Shima flow. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it's that super, no, in my flow. Yeah, yeah, yeah.